So this is the lookout when you are not allowed. And then there is another lookout over there. Wow, this is majestic, eh? This is majestic. Wow. So I'm on my way now. Haha, here we go. That's the stairs. The ladder they talked about. Cool. This is good. Nice. Yeah. A little bit cold. I'm wondering if you can actually go this way. Most likely. I reckon usually there's much more water around here. Because there's not really much going on here anymore. Maybe I can just try to go to the other gorge. Like, apparently, I mean, I'm in the gorge now, but apparently there's another pool. So, maybe. I literally just fell in. They were like, I'm not sure if you should go, blah blah, I wouldn't go by myself, blah blah blah, typical Australian blah blah, you know. Like, I love these Australian people be like, oh yeah, you'll be fine. Most of the, especially women, they're like, oh yeah, I wouldn't do this, I wouldn't do that. And then you're like, well, the person from the information center told me I can, so please stop telling me I can't do stuff. So yeah, and then I slipped on the algae, and then it was already wet anyway, so it doesn't really matter anymore. Anyway, but I reckon this part might actually be underwater usually. This continues here. It gets very narrow, I'm not too sure. I don't think I will continue over there though. So wet. This is really nice though.
Let's go in. Cold.
Yeah, how much fun was that just now? It's really cool. I'm off to the next walking trail. I'll manage to do it as well before the sun sets, I'm sure, because this was very fast. And definitely not 2 hours. Like, it might have been long, but just because I stayed so long in the pool, but not the actual walking distance, is really, really fast. And it was just so cool. I met these 3 retired people. They were like in such a good mood, and they were the ones to come in with me. How cool is that? Because like I just told you about these other 2 were like, you have to hold on to the ladder, blah blah blah. I wouldn't go in, beep. And then those 3 just like jump in the water with me, literally. How cool is that? So yeah, there's heaps of cool people out there. The more you know what kind of people you like, the easier it is just to select for yourself. And then you can hang out with people who have like fun and enjoy life. And yeah, it was very, very cool to meet them. They actually even want to pair me up with their son. Yeah, so oh, I just lost my shoe. I just slipped out of my shoe. Yeah, so that's it. And I show you guys the other gorge once I've arrived. See ya! After trying to capture this little lizard. Also, these steps are quite steep. in the back. Okay guys, if you want to see some more of my videos, please like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And also there is a link in the bio where you can support this project, because this is a self-funded project. Any help is appreciated. If you want to donate something, that'd be really nice. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye!